the spinach and artichoke pizza bagel. I'm chopping up a can of artichokes in water. I drained them really well. I'm adding that to my bowl. This is for our spinach artichoke. They're like pizza bagels, really, like a kind of a white pizza bagel, spinach artichoke pizza bagel. I have a little fresh thyme. I have about a half a cup of grated Parmigiano Reggiano. I'm adding a little nutmeg because we're using spinach as well, and I always use a little nutmeg with spinach. I have some lemon zest in there. I cooked out some garlic and a little olive oil for our chopped spinach mixture here. So a little olive oil, defrosted, frozen spinach. I wrung all the excess liquid out. I had to cool this. That's why I did this a little bit ahead, because you have to have it cold. And that was a 16-ounce package, because of course it's mostly water. And I added a little red pepper flake. You could just use salt and pepper if you prefer. I put red pepper flake, salt, garlic, olive oil, spinach, the lemon zest, the thyme, the artichokes, little sprinkle of nutmeg, and of course our softened cream cheese. And I just added the juice of half of the lemon that I zested. Oh God, I wish you could do this for me, John. I hate this part. Here, stop the camera down for a second so you can mix this in. It'll go much faster. All right, John was a really good guy. And he mixed this one. This one's especially hard to mix because mine is mostly vegetable and not a ton of cheese. So this is a really tough one to mix if you have tendinitis in your elbows. So thank you, John.
Welcome.
So John was saying that this tastes like hot artichoke dip, but there's no mayonnaise in this and it isn't hot artichoke dip. It's like a deep dish pizza. It's on a sesame bagel, which I lightly toast all my bagels before I top them, even if they're gonna get baked, because I like everything extra crispy. Lightly toast though. I don't take them too far. Okay, then we're gonna top that with shredded mozzarella. This is just a brick of polio from the grocery store. And we turn them into little spinach artichoke pizzas. They're so cute. And of course, delicious. And then we're gonna pop these in the oven until they're ooey gooey and gorgeous. The cheese is all nice and melty. These are our spinach artichoke bagels. And I just top those with a little bit of fresh thyme.